The Brahminy kite is a striking bird of prey, commonly found across South and Southeast Asia, especially near rivers, lakes, wetlands, and coastal areas. It is easily recognized by its white head and chest, reddish-brown body, and broad wings. Its scientific name is Haliostor indus. Brahminy kites feed mainly on fish, frogs, small reptiles, insects, and carrion. They are skilled gliders and often soar gracefully over water while searching for food. In India, the Brahminy kite is culturally significant and is admired for its beautiful appearance and distinctive flight. It is also known for its sharp eyesight and powerful hook beak.